I also allow camera effect on WhatsApp. So if you're using WhatsApp and you want to turn on the camera effect to have more controls over the camera while using camera on your WhatsApp, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable camera effect on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now once you open the WhatsApp application on your phone, click on settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down the page, just scroll down. Go ahead and click on privacy. Then once you click on privacy, scroll down the page. Then you should see allow camera effects. Use effect in the camera and video call. So turn this on. Then hang on while you see loading. Then support that says use camera effect. To provide a more expressive experience, some effects will mimic your face and hence your personal call and message remain end-to-end encrypted. Then go ahead and click on continue if you want to turn on camera effects on your WhatsApp and then use it. Then you should see the camera effect turned on. Now, when next you go ahead and then make the video call to anyone, on the video call you'll be able to change your camera effect, and then use it. So you have the camera effect available for you. So that is basically how to turn on or enable camera effect on WhatsApp. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.